In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful method that you can use to start making passive income with CPA marketing. And the method I'm about to show you today is a Blackhat method. For those who don't know what Blackhat method is, basically you make people complete your content locker and in return they get nothing. So I'm going to show you how to use this method to make money with CPA marketing. And also you can apply the same strategy with cpagrip.com or whatever content locking CPA network you're working with. All right. And also make sure to check the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page right here where you can literally start making money in passive income, hundreds of dollars every single day with CPA marketing. All right. So going back to the video right here, all you just need to do is come over to the tools section right here. And you want to click on content locker, and it's going to bring you to this page right here. Click on create a content locker, and you want to give your content locker a name. So I'm going to be taking this as example right here, and you want to scroll down to the very bottom and click on this remove locker. Okay, so once you do that, you want to come over to the advanced and you want to choose the number of offers you want these people to complete on the content locker. All right, you can choose up to 4 offers. This depends on whatever you want. Okay, so it's up to you to select the number of offers you want them to complete. Okay, so once that is done, you can come over and leave everything the way it is. All you just need to do is click on create locker right here. So once you click on that, all you just need to do from here is to copy your content locker link right here. Okay, so once you copy the link and you paste it in a new tab, it's going to bring you to this page right here. As you can see, content locked. All right, so now I'm going to be showing you how to make money with this content locker using a Blackhat method. So what you want to do from here, you want to head over to fiverr.com. So basically this is a freelance platform where people come over to apply for jobs and they make money. So basically we are going to be using Fiverr to make money with this content locker. So all you just need to do is click on this join button right here, and it's going to take you to this page right here where you can literally create a brand new Fiverr account. And I don't recommend you use your existing Fiverr account. You want to create a separate account for this method because there's a very high chance that you could get your Fiverr account banned. Once you create your account, it's going to bring you to this page right here. All right, so all you just need to do from here is to come over to the post a request section. All right, you want to click on this post a request right here. You want to type in something similar like this one right here. We are hiring someone who can translate English to Spanish and also can correct mistakes. You have to translate 5 pages only, and I will provide you with the samples. Now you may be wondering, why do you need to do this? And I'm going to show you exactly why you have to do this. All right, so you want to choose a category right here that fits into this job right here, and that is going to be the writing and translation right here, since they will be translating English to Spanish. And you want to select this subcategory section and you want to click on translation. All right, so basically you can get creative and change this English to a different language or whatever you want. Okay, all right, so once you're done with that, all you just need to do is select the number of days you want this request to be running. All right, so you want to select 7 days right here because you want this request to be running for as long as possible. And for this budget section, you want to basically type in something reasonable. And don't worry, you are not going to be paying anything for this. You just want to type this right here. Okay, so I'll be taking $30 as an example because a lot of people will be interested to apply for this job when they see you are going to pay $30 for it. So once you're done, all you just need to do is click on this submit request right here. And people who are in this writing and translation category, as you can see, there are so many categories right here. They are going to see this job request right here. And once they see it, many of them are going to send you a message because they want to get this $30. All right. So now once you're done with that, all you just need to do is come over to Google Docs and you want to type in something simple like this. All right. This is a sample article, and let me know if you can do this or not. So basically you want them to click on this link right here to see the sample article. And once they click on this link right here, they will be taken to our content locker, and I guarantee you they are going to complete the offer on this page because they want to make that $30. All right, so basically if you get 100 people to come over to this page, I can assure you that at least 50% of those people are going to complete the locker right here because they want to make the $30. All right. So now what you want to do from here, all you just need to do is click on this share right here. And also you want to change the name of this article to something like LT blog so that it looks legit to people who are coming to this page. All right. So then you want to click on save right here. And once you do that, you want to change this restrict to anyone with link. And then you want to copy this link right here. Then you want to come over to this website right here to shorten the link. So once the link is shortened, all you just need to do is click on this shorten right here. All right. So once you do that, you want to copy this link, and this is the link you are going to be sending to those Fiverr freelancers who send you a message to apply for this job right here. And like I said, if you set a reasonable price here, many freelancers are going to contact you, and you will be sending them to this page right here. And many of them are going to click on this link right here to this content locker, and they would complete the offer because they want to make money. Okay, so basically that is how easy you can start making money with Blackhat CPA. And now I'm going to show you one bonus method that you can use to make money with Blackhat CPA. You want to come over here and you want to type in translation. All right. So once you come over to this translation, so once you do that, you want to come over to this seller details right here, and you want to change this to new seller. All right. And you want to click on apply. So basically Fiverr is going to show you sellers who are not getting a lot of jobs on Fiverr. As you can see right here, there are over 43,000 people that have listed their services on this category right here. Okay, so basically this is an example of an account right here. As you can see, this person just has 6 reviews right here. So basically you want to send messages to this type of accounts right here. All right, so basically all you just need to do is click on this account right here. So if I click on this account right here, all right, you want to click on this contact seller right here. So basically all you just need to do is type in something simple like this. I am looking for an English to Spanish translator who can also correct mistakes. I will provide you with sample of the first page so you can assure me if you can do it or not. And then you want to copy your link right here and you want to paste it in this box. All right. So basically you want to paste in the link right here and click on send. You want to repeat the same method for freelancers that are not getting jobs on Fiverr right here. And also you can just basically come over to type in to specify. And also you can filter these seller details and you want to select United States right here. Okay, so basically you can also select Canada or United Kingdom or Germany right here. Whatever country you want to filter to these results. You want to filter to these options right here. All right, so basically that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any useful information, please drop a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.